channel. I'm so excited. This is my first video, and I just can't wait to get started with YouTube. Been wanting to do it for a long time, but I'm kind of scared, didn't know where to start. But here we are. Today we're gonna be doing a video on hair, natural hair. We're gonna do about 5 or 6 easy styles to start the new year with, and things you'll need: spray bottle, just water, gel, like a toothbrush, comb and a brush, and whatever other products you want to put on your hair to make it nice, curly, whatever that you do. So let's get started. Hey guys, so this is the first style. Basically, it is a banged puff, I would say. Yeah, that's what I would go with. And basically it's just leaving out a little bit of a bang. I can do this with some because my hair is a little bit short because I cut it because I do not like straight ends and I had some heat damage. But yeah, I just leave some bangs out. I take a headband or some type of like whatever just that you use to tie your hair up, and I fluff and just do a puff. And I like to pull some hair out in the back, but you don't have to do that. And I prefer to not use gel with this because any stuff that I don't have to use gel with is perfect for me. But you can definitely use gel and slick it back a little bit more to look a little bit neater. And that's kind of it for this style. Also, you can put it in a bun. You can do either way. That's what I'm going to show you here. And I don't do anything special with my bun. I just kind of put it in like a ponytail, then flip it over type thing. Yeah. And that's that style. So I guess that was like 2-in-1 type style. So the next one is just going to be like a bun and middle part with some bangs. I didn't actually like this one as much. However, it is a style you can use. I think I just left a little bit too much out. So you can leave a little bit less out for your bangs. And I still had the back pieces, little tendrils out. But like I said, you don't have to do that, and you can definitely use gel to slick this back more as well. Also with this style, you don't have to let it like just the bangs have out. You can twist those front pieces, which I didn't do because I'm not great at twisting. I never like it on me, but you can twist those pieces, or you can slick them back, pin them back, and just have like a middle part with your bun. Down on it, yeah, you'll love when I'm down on it, yeah, fuck around, spend time on it, yeah. So my next style, this would be 3, kind of 4. I'm just going to stick it back, and it's supposed to be a bun, but I decided to do a puff first because puffs are really easy and there's not much to them. Literally, I do use gel for this. Gel my hair back all the way from the front sides to the back. And I like to use a headband for this. I don't like to use like a hair tie just because it's a little bit more stretchy and it's a bit easier to use. So then I just fluff it until it's to my liking. You can also use a pick to pick it out a little bit, make it a little bit fuller. Then I just kind of push it back until it's at a place where I like to have a little bit of like edges showing and not covering. But you can leave it how you want to do it. You can push it to the back, you can push it to the front, however you would like. So actually I like this puff better. A lot nicer. But you guys get the point. faster. Okay, so the next style is going to be a bun, and it's a slick back bun. So I do use gel for this style. I'm just singing, so don't mind me. But and I like doing my edges here. You don't have to do that. You can do them. I don't have any particular way I do them. I'm just gonna do it until I get it right. I also like to do I just like to wet my brush with water first and do the gel. And stick it back with the handy dandy toothbrush. And that's the bun. So okay, the last style is gonna be two puffs. And I'm really feeling this style, so I really don't want to mess it up. However, I guess I will. I'll do it for the YouTube. But let's get started. So, like I said, this is going to be two puffs. I use gel with this as well. And I just use a brush. I brush it back. Use a comb, obviously, to get a nice center part. You can also do zigzag part if you want to with this. And my edges were already done, but you can do your edges or you don't have to. And then I just fluff out the puffs. And that's really it. So alright, that concludes my first video. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. So excited. Can't wait to just do more and see where YouTube takes me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe. I'll put my products in the description box below. Like it if you liked it. If you disliked it, maybe you like it anyways. I don't know. But let me know what kind of videos you guys like to see. I kind of do a lot of hair-based things, and I don't know the texture of my hair, but I do know that it's curly. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.